Alright, let's take a little bit of the focus off of Shiltoshi for a minute, and let's look at the Shiba Inu coin technicals. Let's look at what's happening right now, and we could be seeing the end of the decline. Bitcoin is bouncing back up above 100,000. Shiba Inu coin seems to have bottomed out at that 1,700 point per coin level that a lot of people were saying is the rock bottom level of support. Back up above 1,800 points per coin, and I know, trust me, I know, I feel it. It feels very, very cheap right now. And we could be seeing a nice bounce following the 50% decline that we just went through. I mean, a 50% decline is ridiculous, guys. We're going to be talking about it in this video, so if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and as you can see, we're going to be going over some Shiba Inu coin technicals in this video, and I also want to say, there's not much time left. If you guys do want to diversify into Wall Street Pepe, please make sure to check this one out. It says there's 18 days and 22 hours left, but these guys have already raised $62.5 million. I've been told there's a $73 million hard cap. They're doing roughly $1 to $2 million a day right now. When people finally figure out that there's a $73 million hard cap, obviously, it's not going to last another 18 days. So you got to make sure that if you do want to get in, you get in before that hard cap is met. And I don't know, pay attention to that, not necessarily the timer that's ticking down there. But we got to go over what's happening with SHIB. We talked about Shiltoshi this morning. He's moving from 7 cents down to 1.4 cents and launching his own tokens now because he's already milked everybody dry with Bone and Leash and Treat and everything else that he's released. So it's... I mean, dude, it's almost like a downward spiral. You know, when people just hit rock bottom and then everything seems to unravel? Seems like that's what's happening with Shiltoshi right now. But it goes on to say that, similarly to the rest of the cryptocurrency market, Shiba Inu coin has fallen since its December 2024 high. But Bitcoin is actually hitting new highs, guys. Bitcoin after the inauguration hit $109,000, I think $900, and is back up to about $102,700 at the time that I'm recording this video, after falling all the way down to $97,000. It says, following its peak, the meme coin corrected by 50%. This is Shiba Inu coin. On January 27th, the price of SHIB reached a long-term ascending support trend line that is historically catalyzed bullish trend reversals. A breakdown below it could spell trouble, leading to another 50% decline. Dude, we can't go back down to like 900 points per coin. Come on. No, in the bottom of a bear market, sure, but not in this bull market that we're in. If SHIB goes back down below 1,000 points per coin when Bitcoin's hitting all-time highs, I'm gonna be dead serious. I think that Shiltoshi probably killed it. As Shiba Inu coin hovers above this support line, traders wonder, can SHIB prevent a breakdown with a bounce, or is it doomed to lower prices? SHIB's price reaches support. The daily time frame SHIB chart shows that the price has followed an ascending trend line for the last 176 days. After bouncing in September, the price moved away from this trend line, reaching a high of 3,300 points per coin. However, SHIB has since fallen, declining nearly 50% and culminating with a low of 1,720 points per coin. The decrease returned the price of the returned the price to the ascending support line where SHIB trades today. Since the trend line has existed for a long time, whether SHIB breaks down below or bounces can be determined for the futures trend's direction. Technical indicators are showing signs of a potential upcoming rally. The Relative Strength Index and Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or the MACD, have both generated bullish divergences, which often price upward movements. However, SHIB's price bounce still needs to confirm the divergences. If a bounce happens, the closest resistance is going to be 2,450 points per coin. On the other hand, 1,300 points per coin if it breaks down below. Is this just a relief rally? The wave count suggests that SHIB will bounce, confirming readings from the daily time frame. Now, unfortunately, the count suggests that the bounce will just be a brief rally that is eventually followed by new lows. According to the count, SHIB is in wave C of an ABC corrective structure, which started in the 2024 March high. Wave A developed into a leading diagonal, while Wave B at exactly the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement resistance of 3220 points per coin. If the count is accurate, Wave C will end below the August lows near 700 points per coin, horizontal support area. The short-term count shows that another leading diagonal for the first portion of Wave C. Since the diagonal is complete, SHIB might have started a bounce, taking an ABC structure. As a result, the count predicts a corrective bounce before SHIB's price falls to new lows. Look, I personally, okay, all of this technical analysis is great, but I personally don't believe that Shiba Inu coin is going to be hitting fresh lows as Bitcoin is hitting fresh highs, unless there's something seriously wrong with Shiba Inu coin. And that is very, very difficult to say, right? I believe that the Shiba Inu coin community is one of the strongest in the game, but I also believe that a lot of people have been led astray. There's a lot of people out on X, man. I read it all day, every day. They're sitting there saying, you know, hail SHIB. Like this is some sort of a regime, right? And Satoshi has really melted the minds of a lot of people. That puts Shiba Inu coin in a bad position, I guess, with its overall community. They're looking to a leader who is not leading. The community needs to look to themselves. We need to look to the excitement. We need to look to what got us here in the first place. And it wasn't Shiba Swap. It wasn't Leash or Bone or Shiboshis or any of it. It was an excited group of people buying and trading and talking about Shiba Inu coin. The social media statistics are nowhere near where they were in 2021. And that's at a time, guys, when meme coin search volume is hitting all-time highs. Shiba Inu coin needs to reclaim its rightful place at the top of the meme coin list. It's not doing it because people are no longer looking to themselves. They're looking to Satoshi, who is trying to shill his brand new tokens to everybody as he milks millions of dollars out of the community. Look, I do believe that Shiba Inu coin can bounce. I don't believe that it's over. I believe that this is the strongest community in the entire game. And if we truly believe in ourselves, we can excite each other once again and watch the price of Shiba Inu coin rebound. If we look to those that are going to lead us astray, of course, that's where we're going to go, astray. So the choice is ours, and I choose Shiba Inu coin. I'm very excited about it, and I've been accumulating it out on the KSEX and the BitUnix exchanges. Both of these places are excellent for buying meme coins, but the KSEX exchange has by far the best selection of meme coins that I have ever seen in the United States. If you guys are interested, you get links down in the description below for everything, and well, you can trade if you want. Like, you got to understand the risk to reward of leverage. But KSEX allows up to 100x leverage. The BitUnix exchange allows up to 125x leverage. Now is the time that we push forward. Now is the time that we take advantage of this bull market. Let me know what you guys are doing with it down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.